Hello friends, I figured it was about time for an apartment tour, so come with me. So also my hair needs washed, I know, so don't come at me because, I'm gonna wash it later, but I wanted to get this done while it was still daylight. So anyways, here we go, okay? It's small, but we love it here and it's peaceful and it's all we need and it's amazing. So that's all there is, so okay. Here's my little entryway, okay? Front door. Little entryway. I got my mirror, I did dark here because I thought, Minnie, this is Minnie's spot. She likes to sit there, so I didn't want it getting dirty, but it's like my little shoe rack thing here in the entryway. Okay. So I think that's cute. And then here's my laundry room. So, nice little washer and dryer. Got some stuff up there and hanging there. Washer and dryer. So here's the kitchen. I got these cute little stools off of Wayfair. And then this actually came from my Beach Grove. This tray came from my Beach Grove Airbnb that I ran for a few years. So I don't know. It's funny the things you end up keeping and hanging on to, that you don't really care, but then it just works out. And these flowers here, same thing. Had those from my Carmel house, and I've just hung on to those for years somehow. And really, it was I could have kept it or left it, but I don't know. It worked out, and it's cute. So, here's my little kitchen. Okay, I'm just going around the kitchen. Got a lot of storage space, a lot of cabinets. Got my dishwasher and all that good stuff. And then here again, the island. More storage under the island. Nice countertops, nice backsplash. I think everything looks super cute. And then here's my little, I don't know, I guess this is my selfie background because then here's my mirror. So you can see that when I take selfies or whatever, but I got this off Wayfair. This was Hobby Lobby, and then just random decorations there. And then this mirror here, I love. My grandma got this mirror at Goodwill for $40. I mean, she just is great at bargain shopping. And it's perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. I wanted a mirror to go in that spot right there. And then my tree, love my tree. I have carried that thing everywhere with me because I do love that thing. And here we have the living room, okay? Nice and cute and cozy. And so I'm still working on a few things, but I'm pretty happy with where we're at. So some of this came from Carmel. I've got my pampas grass. This came from Wayfair. I had that at Carmel apartment. And then this table was from Carmel apartment. And this table was Carmel apartment. And then I got the lamps off of Amazon. And I got this little pompous grass thing at Walmart actually, and it's just kind of a mixture. And I got this couch off of Marketplace here in Florida, and I got this couch off of Marketplace in Carmel. And so this was my only couch in my Carmel apartment because it was much smaller than this. So this is actually the biggest of the one bedroom they have here where I'm at in Florida now. So okay, and then I wanted to do this when it was daylight, my little blanket basket, and I need to figure out what to do with these flowers, I'm not sure. But I'm thinking of getting a little shelf here in this corner, and then obviously something above the TV, and then maybe something here on this wall. So anyways, this is why I wanted to do this when it was daylight. Here comes my little Minnie Mouse, because I wanted you to see my view of the courtyard. So I have the courtyard view. So this is my little patio, okay? Ignore the pee pad. But look at this view, guys. So gorgeous, so peaceful. It's so peaceful, no one is ever out here for some reason. And my little tree, and this lights up at night, and it's so beautiful. And I've got a little fan here, and this needs to go to my storage. It's my chair cushions because they just get wet when it rains out here. They just get moist, and I just didn't want to deal with it. So those are going to storage, but the chairs are fine, and that set came off of Wayfair also. So, okay. Now we're going to the Princess Palace, okay? So, here we have the Princess Palace, yeah? This is it. My beautiful Princess Palace. So, this is just kind of a random mixture of things. I got a lot off Amazon, and even actually this dresser again. Grandma got this at Goodwill. Love her. Gotta love her. She's such a great bargain shopper, and it was exactly what I wanted. And, you know, she just sent me pictures of, like, things she was finding. And I'm like, get it. We're taking it, you know. Yes, we're doing it. So some of this came from Carmel House and stuff. I had to buy a whole new bed off Amazon, but it wasn't that bad. And, you know, we just had to put it together, which I didn't mind. But, yeah, my cute little dresser. Got my white rug. Have to be very careful with the puppies. So then this is like my podcast stuff, my podcast light, my little podcast desk and whatever. So yeah. And then curtains. Got these curtains off of Amazon. And I got super lucky with this little ottoman thing, and we found this at a little store my grandma likes around here, but it's kind of like a Home Goods and like a Hobby Lobby, but even better, actually. Ugh, my hair's driving me crazy, sorry. Okay, so, and then, like, I got this little thing from Hobby Lobby, this little setup here, and just, like, my little nightstands and whatever. My princess crown Grandma got me. She knows her granddaughter. And, okay, now we're going into, like, the best room, right? Every girl's favorite room, okay? The bathroom. And the closet. So we'll start with the bathroom. So I've got a door coming each way. You can get here from the bedroom or the kitchen, like the entryway. So let's see if you can see. So when you come in the front door here, you can either come in this way into, and there's the bedroom door right there. So it's just like a circle. So coming through, got a gorgeous shower, no bathtub, just a glass shower, which is very nice. And I see why you have to have a squeegee behind my bathing suit, must have for glass showers. I see that now. And, you know, adequate storage space, double sinks, drawers. You know, if more apartments would just have, you know, decent closet sizes and adequate bathroom storage, I feel like they'd do much better, because that's really all you need. I'm checking on the puppies. All right. She's okay. Oh, here's the other one. Okay, we got a new one. All right. Yeah, I wasn't making a thing about it, but I wanted Minnie to have a friend, and this little guy just kind of picked us. So he's here now. Yeah, he's ours. Yeah. He picked us, okay? I mean, what are you going to do? Okay, so, all right, we got the beautiful shower. Oh, this is just more storage, this closet here. It's more storage, towels, beautiful shower, adequate storage for the bathroom. I like that. And then the best room, my favorite room, okay? Closet. Every girl's favorite room, the closet. So I feel like they really did a good job. With storage in this closet. It's a good, decent sized closet. Of course, I did have to get rid of a bunch of clothes, and then I'm still going to, I'll probably have to redo a lot of this wardrobe, because it is not like 9 months of winter and fall clothes, you know, and like 3 months of summer, which is not very much, because I'm gonna have to reverse that around here being in Florida. But anyways, got my little perfumes and found this TV also at Goodwill. It's a little smart TV, and it fits in here perfectly. I had a different one. It was a lot bigger, and it was too big. So I liked having like the mirror on the dresser and everything. So we went ahead and switched that out. And yeah, that's really it, guys.